I absolutely love my Hue setup, and use a variety of Hue devices around my home. With careful tweaking in the Hue app, and knowing the best Hue product to use for your needs, you can easily create some excellent and handy effects. For example, I have an outside light that I have installed a standard white Hue light bulb in. Using the Hue app, I have set this to turn on automatically when the sun sets, and to turn off when the sun rises. That means if I arrive home late at night, my door is safely illuminated. I've also named this light bulb outside light, and then use my Amazon Echo to turn it off if I don't need it, by simply saying Alexa, turn off outside light. My living room is filled with various colored Hue light bulbs that allow me to set the scene for various tasks, or times of day. As mentioned earlier, I have combined Hue with my Logitech Harmony remote, so it will automatically dim the lights when watching a movie, then brighten the lights when I've finished. It's a cool effect, and in the Hue app you can set it so that this only happens when the sun goes down, which is a nice touch. I've also used the Hue LED light strip to run along the back of my fish tank, on the outside, of course, which provides some stunning lighting effects. With a bit of tweaking and imagination, you can do some excellent things with Hue, and I would love to fill my entire house with Hue bulbs and devices. However, there is a major obstacle to me doing this: price. These bulbs are pretty expensive, which is why I have used a combination of colored and white ones, to keep prices down. I'd love to use Philips Hue GU10 light bulbs for the spotlights in my kitchen, but a pair costs £50, and as I have 8 lights that would set me back £200. However, I've found that a bit of patience with filling my home with Hue helps, such as waiting for major shopping days like Amazon Prime Day and Black Friday.